So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to react someone message on Instagram. So let's get it started. Now let's open it, and this is the home page of your Instagram account. Then you should have to tap on message icon, which is available on the bottom side, lower bottom side of your screen. So tap on it. Then you will see the message available here. Now tap on someone message like this. Then choose a message which you want to react like this. Then you will see the react option here. Then you can simply tap on plus icon like this to react something. So I'm tapping on this, and see, I have successfully reacted on someone message in Instagram. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.